Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get silver fast in Raid Shadow Legends. To get silver fast in Raid Shadow Legends, start by farming campaign stages. Early game stages are easy. Give great energy to silver ratios, and drop 4-star gear you can sell for extra silver. Use food champions to level while farming, and equip a fast AoE farmer like Kael, Balor, Falhon, or Al Hain to clear stages quickly. Next, sell unwanted gear. Low main stats, broken set, or duplicates can be turned into silver instead of sitting in your inventory. For higher level players, spider dungeons run to drop valuable artifacts you can sell for big silver gains. Arena battles, even low tier ones, gave silver, so complete daily and weekly arena missions and push ranks during events for better rewards. Clan boss chests, dungeon runs, events, promo codes, and daily logins are also great sources. Staying consistent across these activities will quickly grow your silver reserves. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.